Hi there, my name is Michelle Caruana, and before I found Stu and Tribe back in 2020, I already had a successful online course with over 600 members called Play Cafe Academy, where I helped prospective indoor playground owners get from daydream to opening day to operating their businesses profitably. Now, once the pandemic hit, I felt what so many business owners felt, and my income stream virtually grinded to a halt because nobody wants to open an indoor playground when there is a complete government shutdown. So I had to pivot really quickly, not only for my own livelihood, but also so I could continue supporting my community. So for me, this took shape in the form of a back-end membership, meaning I created a membership using Stu and Tribe strategy to continue serving my course members after they completed my program. Now, I already had an alumni Facebook group for my course members, so I was really nervous about launching my founding member strategy because why would people want to pay for something that they had previously been able to access for free? But to my surprise, I was actually met with so much appreciation. People were saying that they had been dying for something like this. They wanted a higher touch support model. They wanted more coaching from me. They wanted higher level resources that I just wasn't able to provide when I wasn't charging for this after course experience. So I used Stu's strategy, and with the founding members launch, I was able to generate not only $6,000 in my business virtually overnight, but it allowed me to impact my community at such a high, significant level during the pandemic. We did joint social media campaigns together. We powwowed all the time. We came up with different event ideas, different virtual class ideas. We shared resources. We came up with new training resources. We really came together, and I am just so thankful that I was able to give my community something that I didn't have when I was an indoor playground owner. And that's a community of like-minded people who are all going through the exact same thing at the exact same time. So I am so thankful that I was able to create a high-level membership that really supported my community at a time they needed it most. And even more than me, I know my community members are so thankful for this experience. And I am now at 133 members. And again, we have all survived the pandemic. And even those of us that have gone through hardships, we haven't had to go through it alone. And I'm just so thankful that Stu was able to allow me to generate this income so that I can continue making an impact in the indoor play space community. Thank you, Tribe.